guys, couple videos for this week. They're going to be about converting from a recursive formula to an explicit, and then from an explicit back to a recursive. Actually, I think I made the last bit a little bit more challenging, so with the videos we're going to make these even easier, because I have a different way of being able to go from recursive to explicit to make it really simple. So whenever we're adding or subtracting, right? So adding or subtracting, we know that that's going to be arithmetic, okay? When we have an arithmetic sequence, to go from recursive to explicit, we can use this formula. A sub n equals d, which is our common difference, times n minus 1 plus a sub 1. Okay? So this plus 19 right here, that's d. Obviously a sub 1 in this case is negative 5. So we're going to plug those in. So a sub n equals 19 times n minus 1, and instead of plus negative 5, we'll say minus 5. Distribute, you get 19n minus 19 minus 5. Combine right here, and you get that a sub n is equal to 19n minus 24. That will probably make that easier for most of you. Okay, this one's really simple. So in this instance, a sub n is a sub n minus 1, which means that all of the terms are the same. Those right there are the terms, right? So if we were to actually do what I just showed you, this would be plus 0. So you could still do it this way if you wanted to. A sub n equals 0 times n minus 1. In this case, minus 78 over 25. Well, when I distribute 0, that's 0 and that's 0, which means that a sub n is just negative 78 over 25. And then going to an explicit geometric, which when we're multiplying here, this is geometric, this is even easier. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. So obviously here's a sub 1. That negative 3 right there is r. So a sub n is equal to 9 times negative 3 to the n minus 1. And you're finished. There's nothing else you would have to do. So hopefully that makes this quick and easy. As you can see, very short video, less than 4 minutes. So we will see you guys later.